Welcome back, children. Today we are going to start the next chapter, My Body. Mm, in this chapter, you will read about your body, what are your body parts, what are the uses of this. There are two types of body parts. One is internal and another is external. So first, we read about the external body parts. Children, you know our body is living machine. A machine, what is a machine? Machine do the work. So like the machine, our body also works, and organs are parts of our body. Okay, whatever organs in our body, they do work for our body, and the organs are external and internal. I told you. Okay, external organ are those parts of body which can see. So you can see your eyes, hair, nose, mouth, fingers, arms, legs, stomach. So all things, these body parts we can see. So what are these? These are external body parts, or you can say external organ. You will write their name. If you did not write these name, you all of you write their name. Understood? Now the parts of our body, those body parts in the inside of our body, those body parts you can't see. Okay, so what are they? These are extra internal body parts or internal organs. So first we read about the brain. So brain, where is brain? Brain it in our head, it inside our head, and it help us to think, learn and remember. आप कोई भी poem learn करते हैं, speech learn करते हैं, song learn करते हैं, where do you learn it? You learn it in your brain. Understood? So brain is the what is the brain? Brain is the control all the organs of our body. Suppose अब आपको भूख लगती है, when you feel hungry, from where you get this message? You get message from your brain. You want to sleep. From where you get the message? You get this message from your brain. तो brain controls all the body parts. आपको रनिंग करनी है, आपको खेलना है, आपको यू आर वॉकिंग, तो वॉकिंग के लिए आप स्टेप्स वन बाय स्टेप्स आप आगे लेते जाएंगे. तो हु ऑर्डर दिस? योर ब्रेन ऑर्डर दिस टू डू दिस वर्क. अंडरस्टूड? तो इस कंट्रोल all the body parts of our body. Now, what is the next? Heart. Heart is situated in the left side of our body. Left side, you know, left hand. आपका जिस साइड में left hand है, that side heart is situated. And what is the work of heart? It purifies the blood and send to the whole body of our all the body parts. And the heart beat 72 time in a minute. जब आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, when you go to a doctor check your heartbeat. What did he check? He check your heartbeat. It is beating 72 times or not. If it is fast or if it is slow, means we are not healthy. Something problem with us. Understood? So heartbeat tell us about our health. Understood, children? Now next is lungs. What is the work of lungs? First you have to note that how many lungs we have. We have 2 lungs. And what is the shape of lungs? Like beans. Beans जो आप राजमा खाते हैं ना, like राजमा, its shape is that is called bean. And what is the work? Its work, it supply oxygen to all our body, the whole body. जैसे हार्ट ब्लड पूरी बॉडी में सप्लाई करता है, लाइक दिस लंग्स का वर्क है, इट सप्लाई एयर ऑक्सीजन इन आवर बॉडी. नेक्स्ट इज स्टमक. Stomachs look like a bag. Why does it look like a bag? Because whatever we eat, where it goes? It goes to our stomach. and stomach churns the food into liquid form. And what is the work? It change the food in liquid. Okay, and this help us to get energy and strength from फूड we eat. जब जो खाना हम खाते हैं वो जब एक लिक्विड फॉर्म में आ जाता है उससे हमें एनर्जी मिलती है, वी गेट एनर्जी. ओके, एंड देन we get strength from all these food. Understood? Means the main work of stomach है, it help us digest the food. Understood? Now kidney. Kidneys are body which look like beans. Sorry, I told the lungs. Kidneys look like the beans and they remove waste from our body. जो अब आप जैसे अब हम ड्रेन को क्लीन करते हैं, ड्रेन बाहर जाकर, यू कैन टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ वॉशिंग मशीन. जो वॉशिंग मशीन जब वो एक पाइप होता है तो जब उसमें कपड़े क्लोथ वॉश हो जाते हैं तो वो पानी क्या हो जाता है, ड्रेन आउट होता है. तो लाइक दिस किडनी जो है इट ड्रेन आउट द वेस्ट फ्रॉम आवर स्टमक, आवर बॉडी. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ सेंस ऑर्गन. सेंस ऑर्गन क्या है? By these help us to what is happening around us. Now you are going to a garden. Okay, there you see different types of flower. How do you see? You see by your eyes, and you are getting a fragrance there, means smell there. How do you feel this smell? By your nose. Okay. Now you are eating ice cream. What is the taste of ice cream? Sweet. If you taste a lemon, what is the taste of it? Sour. Okay. If you if you drink Karela juice or neem juice, what is the taste of this? Bitter. How do you know this? Your taste buds. आपकी टंग पर बहुत सारी टेस्ट बड्स होती हैं. They tell us the taste. Understood? So that is tongue. Now you are listening song. How do you listen? By your ears. Now you go to your fridge and you touch the ice cube. How are the ice cube? They are chilled. How do you know? By your skin. So all of you understood the work of eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. All these 5 sense organs help us to what is happening around us. They help us to know about this. Is that clear? And you should know skin is the largest sense organ. सबसे, क्योंकि हमारी पूरी बॉडी किससे कवर है? स्किन से है. तो स्किन इज द लार्जेस्ट सेंस ऑर्गन. ओके, so now there is a activity for you. You write these. The children are, you will write these. The children are playing in the park. How do you know? You see by your eyes. The grass feels so soft. How do you know this? By your skin. And the birds are chirping. How do you know this? By your ears. And the ice cream tastes sweet. How do you know this? By your tongue. And the beautiful roses smell so good. How do you know this? By your nose. Children, you will write which sense organ does the work for these activities. Understood? Now the next, which one is an external organ? What is the external organ? You know, external organ we can see. So which organ you can see? Ear, brain or stomach? Ear you can see, right? Which one is an internal organ? Internal organ are, we can't see them. So one of which of one you cannot see? Leg, hand and lungs. Lungs you can see? No. It is right, internal organ. Okay. Which one control all the organs of the body? Brain, stomach, kidney. Brain control all the organs of the body. Which organ help us to smell? Eyes, nose, tongue. What? nose, right. Now distinguish between external and internal organ. Internal और external organ क्या difference है? External organ we can see and internal organ we can't see them. How does the brain help us? Brain control all our body parts. Okay. What does the heart do? The heart purifies the blood and send to the whole body. How do the lungs help us? Lungs help us. The lungs supply air the whole parts of our body. Right? Now the next, name the body parts which rhyme with the followings. South. Your body part match this. What is that? Mouth. Nest. Chest. By. Eye. Thin. Chin. Close. What is close? Nose. Right? All these work those children have not done. You do this. It's your homework. All the you do it. If you have not done, those children have done, then they do not need to do. Okay, that's all for today, children. Have a good day.